How to turn off WhatsApp call on Android. So to turn off WhatsApp call, you need to simply head into the settings on your Android device. And then you need to scroll down and locate apps. Tap on it to open. Later you need to select app management from top of the screen. Let every apps get loaded and tap the search bar. Type in WhatsApp and open WhatsApp app info page. Here, tap permission options. And then here you can see that the camera, microphone, and the phone option has been allowed. Simply you need to open camera and tap do not allow to do not allow the camera permission. Likewise for microphone. Notifications also you need to turn the button off. Come back to this page and tap phone. And similarly you can do for contacts as well. And once you do that, you will successfully turn off WhatsApp call on Android device because no one will be able to make you call, as well as you won't be able to make any calls to other person. Before that, you need to turn on WhatsApp permissions. For these of the option, then only you'll be able to make call on Android. So that is how we turn off WhatsApp call on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.